Is she my friend or my enemy? From the first day we met, Aaliyah and I were like twins. We sat together. We walked together. We shared everything, or at least, that's what I thought. One afternoon, our teacher announced a big competition. The winner would receive a brand new tablet. I was excited. I worked day and night preparing. Aaliyah kept asking me, "What are you writing? What idea do you have?" I trusted her, so I told her everything. The day of the competition arrived. When Aaliyah stepped on stage, my heart dropped. She presented my exact idea word for word. Everyone clapped for her. She smiled, but not at me. At that moment, I felt a sharp pain inside. Was this really my friend? Later, when the results were announced, Aaliyah won first place. I stood there, trying not to cry. Then something unexpected happened. Aaliyah walked back to the stage, took the microphone, and said, "I don't deserve this prize. The idea I used wasn't mine. It belongs to my best friend." She returned the tablet and apologized to me in front of everyone. I could see tears in her eyes. She made a mistake, and she corrected it. I forgave her, because true friendship is not about perfection, but honesty and courage to admit when you are wrong. So now I know the answer. She is my friend, not my enemy.